I'm here with David Coppens, one of, hands down, our best leaders in technology and operations. I want to talk to you a little bit about careers in business travel, maybe at a different angle. We're hearing some talk of people concerned, maybe even worried about how AI is going to weave into our roles as professionals in the industry. How do you see it affecting what we're doing on a day-to-day basis?
Yeah, look, there's no doubt that AI is increasingly going to become important, right? That's a given, and those developments are happening at breakneck speed. But our business is about a combination of self-service, digital self-service, and a human touch. Both elements are important. Look, when I came in, we're at GBTA here. Everybody had trouble flying in. I had trouble flying in. I got stuck at the airport, and I'm waiting to get my next flight. The answer to that predicament, the answer to the cancelled flight, was not on an app. It was not AI. It wasn't in TripSource or in an airline app. It was a very, very knowledgeable and compassionate after-hours agent in the Netherlands who helped me out and who made me feel better about, the fact that I was stuck, and helped me along and was very knowledgeable. And I think that's always going to be the case. I don't think we need to be worried about AI taking over. I think we need to look at how AI can help enhance people's jobs and make their jobs easier.
Oh, I love that ending. That is so spot on. Okay, then how do you see the role of the managed travel professional changing or evolving in the next 5 or 10 years?
I don't think in 5 and 10 years anymore. I don't know anybody who really does.
Valid.
I've been in this industry for 30 years, and in those 30 years, I've never seen the amount of change that we have going on right now. It's all happening. It's happening very, very fast. Whether it's distribution, whether it's artificial intelligence, or changes that are happening, payments, and things that just weren't part of corporate travel in the past. So I think that you can look at maybe 1 to 3 years and make a prediction there, and forget the 5 to 10 kind of long-term predictions. Nobody really knows what's going to happen. I would say if you're in travel and this is part of your world today, then study up. Right, go and understand what is happening and understand the changes that are happening, and study up and embrace the change. Don't try to push back, don't try to fight it. Embrace it, learn how it can help you in your job, in your career. If you're coming into travel, because it's still an industry that we want people to come into, and there's a lot of work here. If you look around, there's thousands of people here managing, or representing billions of dollars of corporate travel spend. So this is a really, really big industry that we want people coming into. Then, again, understanding what we do, understanding the business, and seeing how your skill set can be applied to the travel world. Whether that's you're a technologist, or whether you're an HR specialist, or you're a travel agent, or a customer service person, or a program management person, right? All of those skills are skills that we need, and we need them at BCD. So if you're looking at the industry, then really go and only look at one place. That's us, BCD Travel.